Gold and silver yet again trading bearish today. We have seen gold hitting the lows at 3078 80 levels, 3080, which is one of the numbers which I have been following now since this week, that this is going to act as a good support. It has breached yesterday and today it has provided it a good support, while silver moved closer towards 3115. What to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? Can we expect a round of drop, or the prices are going to fly high, or the gold is going to record levels again? What is going to be our strategy today? In order to profit trading gold and silver, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly charts, you can see a good dip was seen here. It has retraced, and see, this is how it has been trading: lower highs, lower lows, trying to create another channel. We have to wait and watch how it behaves till towards 3640 zone. As long as 213640 is not taken, you have to be careful with the sells here. Yes, you have to be careful with the buys as long as 213640 zone is not taken. In fact, now you can buy here at 2120 and expect it to move towards 2125 26, 2130 32, 2136, 2140. Very strong resistances are available till towards 2140 level. Beyond 2140, the down move is going to be difficult. It may rally to record levels again. If you see the stock, I think this is rising. The MACD has bottomed here. It is now looking upwards, trying to bounce back. The RSI is rising. Good signs, supportive for further bullishness. If you look at 2 hour charts, likewise on the 2 hour charts, see, after a retracement, it is trying to give a breakout, and this is the zone that is 21 30 36 and 2140. These are the two levels it need to break in order to confirm the further bullish move here, else the possibility of a reversal cannot be denied. The moving averages which has converged here is again starting to diverge, which is a slight bullish sign here. However, I will say till 2140 you have to be careful with the buys here. If you see the stock ISIC, this is bottomed, it is trying to converge. A crossover here can lead to reversal, and the RSI is rising. Signs are supportive for further bullishness. Coming to the 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar is the observation here. See, after a good tail formation, it is now rising, it is trying to bounce back, it is recovering sharp, and again we have to watch out till towards 3140. I will not treat this as bullish. Beyond 3140, do not think of selling gold here. Beyond 3140, we can look forward to a greater rise, which is going to take it all the way towards 3160 plus levels, and in fact 3200 is possible, because see what has happened here. It is formed a double bottom, trying to bounce back. This recovery can be sharp. However, we have to be cautious at least till towards 3140 levels. The stock stick rising here. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. The RSI is rising, which is supportive sign for bulls here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, you can see a reversal sign, a tail. The preceding candle comes with the tail. The current candle is starting to rise here. I will say now we have to wait for it to stay below 3110 in order to take a selling entry. Only and only if it trades below 3110, you can say the bears might be active here. See, this is the zone where it is going to find the maximum resistance towards 3130, 32 first, 3136 second, and 3140 third. If these three levels are taken, it is going to deliver a massive round of rise here. See, it was trading bearish here. It can give you a breakout here, and this breakout can lead to a massive bulls here. Be mindful of this. The moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. Stochastic rising. The MACD was sharply bearish here, trying to converge crossover for the buys. The RSI is rising, which is still a supportive sign for the bulls. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily chart, see what has happened here. We have seen a tail on the downside, and it is trying to recover here. Now we have to watch out here. See, it can hit the highs, because see, yesterday was a swing candle. We have seen a sharp swing candle here, and now with that is swing, it is trying to turn green. It has already turned green. We have to watch out. It can break past 3140. It can move all the way towards 3150 52, and if that is taken, 3150 52 is taken, we are looking forward to a great rise here. In fact, it can take out the yesterday's high towards 3167 and move towards 3180 or 3400 3200 levels. These are uncertain times. However, I am still being cautious for such a great rise. Notice that what it has done yesterday, it has kissed the 20 period, and that is what it was required to do. It has kissed it and bounced back sharp. So today it can continue with the upside here. The stock ISIC has dropped. The MACD is still in green, trading bullish. The RSI is still entering into an overbought zone. So now looking at the charts and indicators, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries, and if you are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now see, already we have seen 31.26 was a good buying entry. Now we have seen already 31.36. So I will now recommend you to wait for 31.36 levels to be taken. You can buy there, expect 31.40-42 as the first target zone, 31.50-52 as the second, and if these two are taken, possibility is high that it can try to break past the highs from yesterday, that is towards 31.67 68 zone, and if that is taken, sky is the limit. You are looking forward to 3180 or in fact 3200 levels. I am skeptical of such a rise. It can still it can possibly give a drop from here as well, at least till towards 3140. You have to be extremely cautious. Beyond that, it may turn bullish here. On the downside, now the selling entries are far below. I will recommend you to now sell at 3124 levels, but ideally it has to now trade below 3115-16 levels and then 3110. If 3110 is taken, stay short for 3100. Below 3100, you can look forward to a greater correction. Where it is going to head, we can look forward to 3080, and below 3080, this time we may see it hitting 3050, 3040 zone as the next targets. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts has formed a base here, though it is trading very much in this bearish channel. I'll wait for it to stay beyond 32, and if it stays beyond 32, 32.20 zone, you can expect it to give a rise towards 32, 40, 60 zone, and if 32.60 is taken, stay bullish for 33 and plus levels. Right now it is too early to conclude. I am not in favor of such a stronger rise. And yes, if you see it staying above 31.60 itself, you can buy and expect it to move towards $32 levels. Beyond 32, you can expect a good rise towards 32.25, 32.50, 60 and higher levels. Right now it is staying bearish. It is trying to kiss the 20 period possibly. Stochastic rising. MACD after hitting a bottom, it is now crossing over and trading with divergence. Signs are bullish. RSI is staying at bottom, and on the 2 hour charts also similar observation. Only thing here is, if you see the last few candles, you can see bearishness here, higher lows here, higher highs here. Wait for it to stay above 31.60. That will confirm another round of rise, which might take silver towards 32. Though the momentum is not very much there in silver, the bears are still very much active, and you have to be cautious. As long as now 32 is not taken, you should not be treating silver as bullish for the day. See the stochastic rising from the oversold levels. MACD is sharply bearish. It may try to converge crossover. RSI is staying oversold. Things are definitely oversold here for silver. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. See, after a bit of consolidation, it is trying to give you a breakout, and there is a possibility that if it stays above 31.60, you can look forward to 32, and beyond 32, we can look forward to a massive rise here. All the way towards 32.50, 60 can be seen, and beyond that, a stronger recovery can be expected all the way towards 33. Though the momentum right now is missing in silver. The stochastic oversold, MACD sharply bearish, RSI oversold. Things are definitely oversold here for silver. On the 4 hour, the observation here on the 4 hour charts is same. You can see the preceding two candles, current one and the last one. You can see almost identically symmetrical candles. If you see it is staying below 31.30, the higher price, if you see it is staying below 31.30 levels, you can take a sell. Expect it to move towards 31, and once it trades below 31, you can expect that the bears will take over. As long as 31 is not taken, we have to be careful with the sells here. If you see the stance in silver is pretty much bearish here. It is trading with divergence from the moving averages, and the prices are trading sharply bearish as of now. Stochastic oversold, MACD sharply bearish, RSI extremely oversold. Things are definitely oversold here for silver. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, notice it has delivered a red candle so far. It is also staying outside Bollinger Bands. It is very important for silver to trade above 32. That is the only level above which you can say slight bullishness to prevail, and then 32, 20, 25, 32, 50, 60, and in fact 33 will be seen. But right now the stance is not so aggressively. It is right now rather trading in a bearish territory, and once you see it is staying below 31.30, that is the higher price below 31.30, you can take a selling entry here. Now see why you should take a selling entry, though it is just entering into an oversold zone, but it has got still scope for further drop. Look at the MACD. This is also crossed over, and this is looking downwards, and this suggests there is not much of a scope on the downside for silver. RSI has dropped as well. So considering this, now I'll recommend you to sell here at 31.30. Expect it to move all the way towards 31.10, $31 levels, the first target zone. 32.75 the next, and then 30.75 the next, and then 30.50 levels will appear. Below 30.50, it may deliver a greater correction all the way towards $30 levels. See, earlier in the day I have mentioned it is coming out of this retracement zone, and thus it may continue towards the bottom all the way towards 29.28 in the near future. If not today, it may take its time for it to trade towards these levels. But first is 31, it needs to break, then 30, 29.8 it needs to break, and then you can expect 29 and 28.8 levels as the next target. Below that, it will fall into a correction territory. So take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the weekly reviews tomorrow. That will give you a fair bit of idea on what to expect from silver in the coming week and gold as well. So do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.